How's it, everyone? This is my first hive that I ever got. It is the one that we learned the most on from a removals perspective. We took it out in Kyalami, and if you have a look at my video 3 beehives to 300, I speak about it there. We're going to check it out today. This is the only hive I've got a queen excluder on, so I'm interested to see if that works or not. But having said that, all my other production hives that I've got going now, I've decided not to use a queen excluder after talking to some experts. So we'll see if this made any difference on this hive. Maybe they haven't moved up into the super, maybe they have. We'll check it out. That's lekker. Yeah. So we go, guys. That there is a nice full frame of capped honey. We're going to harvest this honey now. So this is pretty exciting. This was my first hive, and I think we've got a full box of honey here. Every single one, and it's not a lie anymore. It's beautiful. This one's nice and yellow. Okay, so we're just replacing those frames that we took of honey. I'm going to leave 4 frames of honey in here for now. I might come and fetch them on another day, but I'm just putting new super frames with wax sheets in. And then we'll see how we go, because I don't want to take all their honey. Hey, we all make mistakes, so this time I found out that I was doing this incorrectly. These empty frames of foundation should have been put into the middle of the box. The bees could have pulled the comb out, then quite quickly on the foundation, and given that queen the space that we were looking to give her to lay her eggs. No harm done though, and this hive is still thriving and doing really, really well.